So you tinted your lights with some spray-on tint, and now you regret that decision.
Regrets?
Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the tint super easy and bring your light back to its stock red legal look. Jumping right in, I'm working on blacking this Audi completely out and tried the vinyl versus Nite-Shade spray. The vinyl is just better in every way. The light shines through better, I like the look, it's easier to apply, and I can just peel it off if I ever get a ticket or if I just get over this tinted look. So now I need to get this spray tint on the right taillight off and start from stock so I can wrap it like the rest of the lights. First step here is to pop the light you are going to spray out. You can do this in the car, but you're going to need to mask everything off, and my preference is just to remove the light. Now you can see the spray all over this light, and I also wet sanded it to try and help the paint stick, but there is absolutely no build to this paint, so you can see the little wet sanding scratches of the sandpaper through the paint. It just looks really bad. How you get this paint off is actually pretty simple. You just need to grab a rag that can hold a bit of fluid and is a little coarse, then just soak it up with brake cleaner and start rubbing. This will pull the tint spray right up. To make sure I'm not leaving any residue of the paint and that I'm leveling out that 1500 grit sand, I hit it with some 2500 grit until it's nice and cloudy and hazy. I then clean all the dust and oils from my hands away with some spray away glass cleaner and bring it over to my custom paint booth. You know we're a DIY channel and a two-car garage people. Who else uses a trash bin as their paint booth? To make sure there's no dust or dirt on the light, I hit it with a tack cloth, and then I use this 1K clear and lay down 3 medium coats until it's looking nice and glossy. I let the light sit overnight. The clear is looking really sweet, and the light probably looks better than stock, so I just grab it, bring it over to the car, and then install the light back in. And with the light in, if you're just trying to take your car back to the stock legal red look, then thanks for watching. I'm going to go ahead and finish this up by matching the taillight with the other and doing the black vinyl wrap. But that was the whole video, and I hope it helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe, check out my channel for more of these car related videos, and thank you for watching.